Hey grade 1, how are you? This is the ICT class. Today we want to learn more how to deal with our computers. When you want to start up your computer, you need to press the monitor startup button. Here is the monitor startup button. Then you need to press the CPU's or the computer's case startup button. Here is it from the case. Here we have Windows operating system. We're gonna talk about Windows operating system. The Windows operating system controls the computer operations and its applications. It controls and manages everything in the computer. So here in this picture, these are the users. They are the people who use the computer. Why do we use computer? Sometimes we use it to study. Or maybe your parents, one of them, your dad especially, he uses the computer at work, at universities, at schools, and at companies, factories. We use it at work, we use it to study, and sometimes we don't want to study. Sometimes we use it for our entertainment when we want to play. So we have times when we use it for work and studying, and other times when we just use the computers to entertain ourselves and to have fun, to play games. Here is the computer. I guess all of you know this is the computer. It comes in many shapes. This is a bigger computer. And we have PCs, like the personal computer, smaller one. Actually, all the smartphones that we use these days and the tabs, they are considered computers, but they are smaller types of computers. And inside the computer, this is the hardware, all of it. Inside it, we have Windows operating system. Without this software, the Windows operating system, computers cannot be working. Windows operating system controls the hardware and the software. The hardware is anything that is touchable. You can touch it by your hands. The monitor, speakers, printer, mouse. While the software is the things that you click on using the mouse, but you click in it. You will find windows, you will find icons. They are programs inside the computer. You use them, but you cannot touch them. Like the educational programs, the Microsoft Office programs. This is Avira antivirus, and for sure, there are much more. Icons. Icons are small symbols showing the programs. They are part of the software. Look here. That means Windows, Paint, Internet, Microsoft Edge, Excel. These are programs. We use it for many purposes, for many reasons. We need them. All of them, you can find them on the desktop. They are the desktop icons. When you don't need them, you put them in the recycle bin. Recycle bin also is one of the icons. In the recycle, we put all the things that we don't need. When we run the computer device, the following Windows screen appears. When we run it, when we turn it on, we find the desktop. This is the first screen you see when you turn on your computer. And we find all the desktop icons. There are certain icons when you turn on your computer, you always find it. They don't disappear. And here, this is the start button. Look at it. Start button. From there, you can open the programs and find what you need. And here, at the bottom, here, the taskbar, from here you can read the programs quickly. We learned how to start up the computer. Now we want to know how to shut it down. You need to click on Start button, this one from here. Then you will click Shutdown. Look at it. To this part, this choice. You're gonna choose this. So first you click on Start button, then you click Shutdown. Look at this picture. What do we call this device? Yes, it's mouse. Is it a hardware or a software? Can you touch it? Yes, you can touch it, so it's a hardware. It has a right button, left button, and here is its body, the mouse body, and it has mouse wire. This is the right way to hold the mouse so you won't hurt your hand. But why do we use the mouse? First of all, we use the mouse for movement. So when the mouse moves on the pad, the mouse pointer moves on the screen. When you want to choose any one of the icons, you need to move the mouse. So we call this selecting. You can select any icon by clicking on the left button, the left click of the mouse. Then you do double click on the left button of the mouse, so you will open any selected thing, any selected icon. Actually, grade 1, I want you to choose this, to try to do this, to try it at home, to use the mouse to select something and open it. So first, you can select any icon by just clicking on the left button, one click, then double click on the left button of the mouse will open the selected thing that you wanted. We also use the mouse to drag and drop. We put the mouse pointer on the icon that we want to select. Look. Then we press the left button of the mouse and hold. Try to do this at home. We will move the mouse pointer to the new place, like this. Then we will let off the left button of the mouse. So, we use the mouse when we want to pointing. So we put the mouse pointer on the icon we want. Then we choosing the icon. So we click once on the icon using the left button of the mouse, then opening the icon. Grade 1, do this at home and show me the video.